Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install a plugin which will help you create a gallery for the single products in a WooCommerce website using Elementor. So if you have multiple images for a single product, then you can create a gallery. You can also create image slider using this plugin. The name of the plugin is JetProductGallery. This is a part of Crocoblock plugins. I have published videos on the other Crocoblock plugins such as Jet Engine, Jet Elements, Jet Woo Builder and Jet Smart Filters. So if you want to watch those videos, I'll give you the link in the description box. So this is the plugin that we are going to install today, Jet Product Gallery. Let me show you the features. You can create the gallery for the WooCommerce product images, as well as if you have any custom post type, you can also create gallery for the custom post type. You can also create product slider or gallery for any image by uploading the images manually, and you can also add featured video in the gallery. There are basically 4 different types of galleries that you can create: product gallery slider, gallery grid, anchor navigation, product images. You can also add zoom, lightbox, video. And these are the 4 Elementor widgets that you will get: gallery grid, gallery anchor navigation, gallery modern and gallery slider. I'll show you how to use these 4 widgets. And the pricing is $23 per year, in which you will get 4 different widgets. And if you go for Crocoblock bundle, it will cost you $199 per year, in which you will get 20 different Jet plugins. You will see the list of plugins here. In previous videos, I have also shown you how to install the free and the pro WooCommerce product gallery slider plugin, which was developed by Codex here. This is the video. In another video, I have shown you how to install the YITH product gallery plugin. This one also has free as well as the pro version. So you can compare all these 3 plugins and then decide which plugin will be suitable for your WooCommerce website. So let's go to the dashboard of the WordPress website and let's go to plugins. I have already downloaded and installed this plugin. You will see it here, Jet Product Gallery. And this is the current single product page layout. This is the standard product image with some gallery images. And we are going to add a slider here now. So let's go back to dashboard. Go to templates and go to theme builder. Now we are going to customize the single product page layout. This is the single product page layout. We are going to customize it using the theme builder. Here I'm using Elementor Pro plugin, and I have already created single product page layout using the theme builder. If you have any other third-party theme builder to create the single product page layout, you can use that one. So I'll go to single product, and this is the current layout. Let's go to edit. All right, so here we have the information about the product, and here we have the image of the product. If I click on it, this is the standard product image widget. So I'm going to delete this one and we are going to use the new one. So let's scroll down, or you can minimize the other widgets. In previous videos, I have shown you how to use the Co-Designer plugin, which is also one of the best plugins for the Elementor WooCommerce website. Now at the bottom, you will see this option, Jet Product Gallery, and we have 4 different widgets. So let's start with this gallery slider. Drag it and drop it here. Now in the general, you will see the option here, source. For the source, we are going to select WooCommerce product. If you want to create a gallery with predefined images, you can select manual, and from here you can upload the images. But we are creating a template for the WooCommerce product. So we are going to select WooCommerce product, and it will pick up the images from that particular WooCommerce product. So you will see we have some images for this product. Let me show you the product here. This is the product. If I go to edit product, this is the product featured image, and then we have some product gallery images. If you do not have it, you can upload the images from here. Now when you install this plugin, you will get an extra option here, Jet Product Gallery Video. So for this particular product, you can add the video also. There are 3 different types: YouTube video, Vimeo and self-hosted. If you have video on the YouTube, you can select YouTube and add the URL of your video. If you have Vimeo, you can enter the video URL here. And if you have video uploaded on your own website, you can select self-hosted. In this case, I'm going to select self-hosted. Click on choose video, and I have one sample video uploaded. I'm going to use that one. And let's update it. All right, so we have added video for this product. Let's go back and let's refresh this template again so that it will show the video. All right, so if I go to this widget again with the cursor, you will see this video is there. Right, so this is the slider. We can change the setting, disable featured image, so it will not show the featured image, and enable zoom option. So when you move the cursor, it will zoom. You can change the zoom magnify, let's say 1.5, and this is how it will look. It will magnify the image. Enable gallery, so it will enable the gallery also. Let's go to images, image size. You can select the image size. Let's make it full. Thumbnail size will be thumbnail. Go to slider. These are the slider settings. You can also create vertical slider just like this, or you can create horizontal slider. So I'm going to use horizontal. Enable the loop, enable equal slide heights. Swipe sensitivity, you can change the sensitivity for the mobile devices. Let's make it 1. Enable centered slide. So this is how it will look. And slides per view will be, let's say 2. So it will show 2 different slides. So you need to play with the settings and you can customize it. I'm going to disable this one. Transition effect, we have slide, cube, cover flow. Let's try cube. All right, so this one also looks good. Now this is for the navigation. You will see small navigation here. If you want to disable it, you can disable it from here. Or if you want to change the icon, you can change the icon. Pagination, this is set to yes. You can select thumbnails, and at the bottom you will see the thumbnails. So instead of using dots, you can use thumbnails. Now you can also set the position to the top or to the bottom, just like this. And for the thumbnails, we are going to use the navigation also. You will see the navigation added here. Just like this, you can change the images. Slides per view. So right now you will see 4 different slides are there for the thumbnail. Let's go to gallery. Here we have the trigger button. If I click on it, it will open in a zoom. So this is the icon. If you want to change it, you can change it. Show on hover. So right now it will not show. If you move the cursor on it, it will show the icon. And the other settings are for the show caption. If you have image caption, you can use it. Show full screen. So these are the basic gallery settings. Then we have video. For video, we have 2 different options, pop-up and content. If I select pop-up, you will see an icon here, just like this. So you can click on the icon and it will open the video. So I'm going to select content. You can also change the aspect ratio. 16:9, 1:1. Display video at first place. If you want to show the video as the first slide, you can enable this option and the video will be the first slide. Now you can also enable autoplay, mute and loop. So it will be in a loop. This is how it will look. All right, so these are the video settings. You can also add overlay here. If you want to add overlay, it will add the overlay, and play button, you can disable or enable the play button. All right, so if you do not have autoplay enabled, then this is how it will look. This is the overlay color and this is the play button. You can change the play button also, but in this case we are going to enable autoplay. So these are the basic video settings. If you want to change the style settings, you can go to the style settings. From here you can change the style settings. You can add border radius, image alignment to the right or to the center, previous, next, arrows. These are the arrows. You can increase the size and change the color also. All right, so this one looks good. You can also add background color. All right, so this one also looks good. So this is how it will look. You can also add border radius to this one. Then previous, arrow, center, left. So these are the arrow settings. Then we have thumbnails. And these are the settings for the thumbnail. You can change the arrow size for the thumbnail also, change the color. This is a photo swipe trigger, photo swipe gallery, and play button. So this is for the play button. All right, let's update it and let's see how does this look on the actual product page. Let's go to product page, refresh it, and it will start the video automatically. You can go to the next slide. All right, so this is how the first layout will look. Now let's delete this one and let's try another one. Delete and scroll down. Let's try this one. Gallery anchor navigation. Drag it and drop it here. Again, select WooCommerce product. Enable zoom, enable gallery. Let's change the magnify to 1.5. Images. Image size will be, let's say, full. Then gallery. This is for the gallery. This is the button. Video. This is for the video. You will see it here. You can enable the auto content. If you want to display video at first place, you can enable this option. Autoplay and loop. All right, so these are basically the same settings, only the layout is changed. This is the distance between the space between two images, 5 pixel. Navigation, this is the navigation width. Right now it is set to 150 pixel. I'm going to change it to, let's say, 50 pixel, and this is how it will look. You can also add offset. Position will be to the right or to the left. Bullets, these are the bullets. You can change the width of the bullets. All right, so this is how it will look. Change the color. Next option will be photo swipe trigger, play button. You can also go to advanced settings, and from here you can change the layout for this entire widget. You can play with the settings where you want to align this end, center, motion effect, transform, background color. You can also add background color. Let's update it. Go to product page, refresh it, and this is how it will look. This is the new layout. So if I scroll down on the page, you will see that the image is also going to scroll. So this one also looks good. We have magnifier also. If I click on it, it will open the lightbox, and you can see the images in the lightbox also. All right, so this is the second layout. Let's delete this one and try the next one. Drag it and drop it here. Select WooCommerce products. Enable zoom, enable gallery, images. So we have got 3 columns. Let's change it to 2 columns. And this is how it will look. Gallery, these are the gallery settings. And this is the video. Let's display video at first place. Autoplay, mute, and loop. All right, so the video size is completely different than the image size that we have here. You can also create a new video according to the size of that particular image. Let's go to style, and you will see the style settings here. Let's update it. So this is basically a simple gallery, or you can say the grid. Refresh it, and this is how it will look. So when I scroll down, you will see the images are moving up. If I click on it, it will open the lightbox. All right, let's delete this one and try the last one. Gallery modern. Drag it and drop it here. Select WooCommerce product. Enable zoom, gallery, images, full size, gallery. These are the gallery settings again. Video, let's make it display video at first place. Enable, enable, enable. All right, so this is how it will look. This is a new layout for the product gallery. let's go to style settings, and from here you can change the proportion. Let's see if I change the proportion. You can play with the settings here. So this is the first one, this is the second one. Right, so this is for the image 2, image 3 will be, let's say, at the top, and image 4 will be at the bottom, image 5 at the bottom again. Then we have single image. Let's update it. So from here you can change the proportion of the first 4 images, and let's go back to the product page and refresh it. So we have got the video at the top, then we have first image, second, third and fourth image. This is the kind of modern image gallery. If I click on it, it will again open the lightbox where you can see all the images. So using this plugin, you can create 4 different types of product galleries for your WooCommerce website. So this is how you can use the JetProductGallery plugin to create the product gallery slider in a WooCommerce website. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.